Where's your team? Just you?
Just me, and the paint job of the future.
Sure. We've got tight deadlines. Let's get started. What's this? Modules?
Yes, modules. We think big. You can start small and scale up when the time's right. Central storage, car body sequencing, connection between levels, all in one place.
Well, it's just 400 units. The updated requirement is 600 units. Do they know where to go?
Absolutely. Here it is, our digital brain, the DXQ control. See? Everything's under control. DXQ takes care of the perfect route of each car body through the paint shop. Even the different model types don't slow down the production anymore. That's what we call an advanced control system, including data analytics. It's so easy to use.
Yes? Wait, an additional production line for two-tone painting? You're crazy. You know what that means? Downtime for weeks.
Downtime? Ah, what a view. Let's call it a day.
Haven't you forgotten something?